does not hurry, listen. The trees remain upright without asking. Nothing opens outward, yet something gathers. The earth keeps its warmth deep where words cannot reach. Silence is not absence, it is a shape. Cold is not the end, it is a pause that knows. I slow down and the moment widens. I rested and the ground responds. No signal to follow, no direction to chase. I move as winter moves. Beneath the frost, a memory turns, not a flame, a knowing. The heart beats fewer times, but each one lands true. When the world steps back, clarity stays. I slow down and the moment widens. I rest and then the ground responds. No voice ahead, no push behind. I move as winter moves. The river closes its eyes but keeps the way. The seed waits, not sleeping, listening. The night grows long only to protect what is forming. I do not enter the time, time enters me. The rhythm arrives without effort, still rooted, breathing. I move as winter moves. Nothing falls away, nothing begins, only the turning, slower now.